Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, I'm not just doing twinning, I'm also doing Cheeky Monkey Monday. That's a mouthful for me till I get used to saying it. And as you can see, my little toddler Clara has a monkey in her hand, a couple on her dress, and she's offering you one with reaching out to hand it to you. I don't know the lady's name that came up with Cheeky Monday, Monkey Monday, but I'm going to find out. I think it's brilliant, and what I really like about it is any doll person can do this. Well, anybody, but all of us that have dolls probably already have a monkey or can get a monkey, and it's a perfect idea to unite the doll community. Such a wonderful idea. Claire's going to go into her playroom and play a little bit. So here's Clara in her playroom with her monkeys, playing with Bongo and the other tie heart monkeys. This one's kind of going to play with the train. This one better leave that sewing machine alone. And then in the other room, they've kind of taken over the Blythe house. We have a whole room full of monkeys and apes and gorillas just having a good time in the Blythe house. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am going to leave links to the, I can't think of her channel name, but I'll write it down. For Cheeky Monkey Monday, thank you so much, Tina, for joining in this fun with our twins again. Please go by Tina's channel and see her little toddler twinning with Clara, as well as all the other Cheeky Monkey Monday videos. Thank you for watching.